3, 2, 1.
In the episode You Only Move Twice, what football team did Hank Scorpio, an evil genius, owner of Globex Corporation and Homer Simpson's new boss, buy for Homer to show his appreciation? The answer is C. Denver Broncos. In 2004, the Hubble Space Telescope captured images of distant star clusters, each containing about 1 million stars. These star clusters were most likely part of which structure? The answer is B. A galaxy. In the movie The Graduate, Elaine Robinson was engaged to another man when Benjamin Braddock proposed to her. What was his name? The answer is C. Carl Smith. Even though tellurium does indeed have a greater average atomic mass than iodine, it is properly placed before iodine in the... The answer is D. Periodic table. What is a young eel called? The answer is D. Elver. In the Poseidon Adventure, what was the profession of Linda before she married Detective Rogo? The answer is C. Prostitute. What is the world's fastest train as of 2021? The answer is B. Maglev. Which fruit is commonly added to salads due to its crisp, juicy texture and sweet tart flavor? The answer is D. Pineapple. What is the highest mountain range on Earth? The answer is C. Himalayas. What are compounds with the same number of carbon and hydrogen atoms called? The answer is B. Isomers. Which psychology concept refers to the study of human thought and memory? The answer is B. Cognitive psychology. Which architect was known for his Corbusier modular furniture? The answer is B. Le Corbusier. What is polyisoprene better known as? The answer is A. Rubber. What do we call forces that act on the system from outside? The answer is D. External. Which is not a type of insulin? The answer is C. Insulin liraglutide. Which of the following likely make up a path for electrical energy to travel to a device? The answer is A. Steel or copper. Which king built the Great Wall of China? The answer is A. Qin Shi Huang. Which author wrote A Clash of Kings? The answer is D. George R. R. Martin. What would be a weight loss mantra that might be sung at Weight Watchers? The answer is C. Fat Chance. What is the highest volcano in North America? The answer is D. Mount Denali. I'm the daughter of a river who married her own brother. Who am I? The answer is D. Io. What do you use to seal envelopes? The answer is D. Envelope sealer. Metal detectors used for airport security work on which principle? The answer is B. Inductance. Who wrote Metaphysics and Nicomachean Ethics, commonly associated with Aristotle's philosophy? The answer is C. Socrates. In a movie Callie's Son, actress Lindsay Wagner starred together with which movie star? The answer is C. Michelle Pfeiffer. What fruit is known as the queen of fruits? The answer is C. Pineapple. What is the single bone that forms the posterior skull and posterior base of the cranial cavity? The answer is D. Occipital bone. Which graph is best to present data collected on yearly water usage in the United States? The answer is B. Line graph. If you wanted the visual effect of being closer to something without moving, what would you use? The answer is A. An old spyglass. What strings instrument has 4 double courses of strings? The answer is A. Lute. I say the Minister of Defense. You say? The answer is D. Reggie White. Because of its repeating pattern, what is Mendeleev's table of the elements called? The answer is C. Periodic table. What is full of keys but can't open a single lock? The answer is B. Keyboard. What school supply is often used for measuring on a graph or ruler? The answer is A. Protractor. What is the best-selling album of all time in the United States as of 2007? The answer is B. The Eagles' Greatest Hits 1971-1975. What's the largest desert in the world? The answer is A. Sahara. What may be the ancestor of placental mammals? The answer is D. Eomea. What is the accumulated total of all the biochemical reactions occurring in a cell or organism called? The answer is A. Metabolism. What is areology the study of? The answer is C. Mars. What bodily defense can be acquired in an active or passive way, and can be natural or artificial? The answer is C. Immunity. Which of these does not illustrate substances reacting to form new substances? The answer is A. H2OLH2OG. For what movie did Mel Gibson receive his first Academy Award for Best Director? The answer is A. Braveheart. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? The answer is B. Cocoa. If a plant shows up in a new place, what might have happened? The answer is C. Its cased embryo have been dispersed. Who does the captain blame for the murder of Mr. Hallowbrass in the book The True Confessions of Charlotte Doyle? The answer is B. Charlotte. What electrical force is responsible for fission? The answer is A. Repulsion. When you have too little water in your body, your kidneys excrete antidiuretic hormone ADH. What happens in response to ADH? The answer is B. You get thirsty and urinate less. Where does the popular video game character Mario live? The answer is C. The Mushroom Kingdom. Scientists often classify or organize different objects based on their what? The answer is A. Physical properties. In what year were the first Moa remains discovered by Europeans?